Okay, sige, let's start. Good morning, class. Yung discussion natin ngayon, class, will be focused on how will you do the exercise number 3 or yung ating drawing exercise number 3. Okay, so sabi natin last time, nung Wednesday, we will be combining ano yung natutunan ninyo sa scaling as well as yung natutunan ninyo sa isometric view at sa mga projections, no? Sa isometric view and isometric projection. So, shown on the screen, class, this is the same drawing diniscuss doon sa video on isometric projections. Okay? So, kung naalala niyo, class, if you have watched the video doon sa isometric projections, naka-inches yun lahat. Paano ba natin gagawin yung scaling? Okay, this one. Yung scaling sa activity na ito. So, kung mapansin nyo, class, sa top view, front view at right side view, merong mga measurements. Kunwari ito, 50, 21, 28, 14, okay? Yung mga measurements na yan, class, is in meters. Can you try it, class? Convert nyo yung 50 meters into its equivalent 1:400 na scale. Kunwari, 50 meters siya sa actual, di ba? Actual na object. Pila iyahang measurement, class if i-drawing na natin using the 1:400 na scale?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ganito yung gagawin natin. So, kanina, sabi natin, isa sa mga dimensions doon is 50, di ba? Sabi natin, yung lahat ng dimensions doon is naka-meter. Okay, so 50 meters using 1:400 scale. So, paano ba natin paliliitin yung 50 meters? What we'll do, the 50 meters, yan yung ating actual na measurement. Doon din sa ating scale, ito yung ating actual, okay? Ito yung ating sa drawing. So this one, ito yung actual. Now sa drawing, it must be 1 na lang or paliitin natin. So pila sa actual, mo ni ato ang i-solve kaganina. So to solve this value, class, i-cross multiply natin yung 1 sa 50. And then ito namang itong isa, cross multiply natin sa 400. So, mangyayari niyan, class, will become, this will now become, okay, 50 meters times 1, okay, is equal to 400 times yung x natin dyan. Okay? Now, since this is centimeter, so, convert lang natin itong meters into centimeters. So, instead na meters yan, i-times natin ng, okay, 100 centimeters per 1 meter. So, mangyayari, this will, okay, so mawala yung meter, class. So, 50 times 100, that's actually 5,000. Okay? 5,000 divided by 400, pila na, class?
12.5, good, sir.
12.5 centimeters. Okay, that's the right answer for that. Ano yung binanggit niyo?
50 divide 400, sir, ba? Tapos times 100.
50 divide 400 times 1. I-try niyo daw, class. Kung lalabas ba yung, ito yung answer ganyan, 12.5. Try niyo daw. Okay, any other additional questions? Pangutana.
Deadline na, sir.
Deadline will be next week. Friday tayo ngayon, so deadline nito will be next week, Friday.
Sir, pero may lagi na 400, sir.
Yes, permi na siya 400. Yan yung ating scale.
Sir, katong 100 cm, sir, basa nagikan.
Ang 100 centimeters, yan yung conversion, okay, from, di ba, meters yan, class? Lahat ng given doon sa drawing, naka-meters, okay? So, yung 100 centimeters, that's the conversion factor na yung isang metro, equal siya sa 100 centimeters.
Okay, sir.
This one.
Pwede
Isang
naman, mate,
metro,
na
100
50 divide 400 times 100 para dali.
Same ang lumabas, Alag, na-try mo? 50 divide 400
Sir.
times 1, okay. 12.5 pa rin.
Sir.
Sige. Any other question, class? Pangutana. Again, class, this will be 2 pages. 2 pages ito. Yung isa isometric view, pati yung top view. Yung isang page naman is the front view and the right side view. And then observe the types of lines. Okay? Kung wala na kayong question, class, I'll be sending this sa yung mga kailangan na file sa Binakel so that you can start converting or scaling it down.